Rollstuhl ist wie eine Hülle für sie, der ihren Körper, über den sie eigentlich sonst keine Kontrolle hat, hält, sodass sie mit den Armen die Bewegungen machen kann, die sie sonst nicht machen könnte und die sie auch vorher in einem normalen Rollstuhl nicht gezeigt hat.
Every person is different. Every person is entitled to an optimal ideal quality and a maximum zest of life. We support people with a handicap so that they can enjoy their lives as untroubled as possible. The AKTIVLINE, a dynamic seating system for children and adults, was developed and patented by interco. It breaks new ground in caring for people with infantile cerebral palsy and similar indications. They often have various random movements which have an adverse effect on sitting and the sitting position. They are unable to sit independently. They require extensive fixations for their head, torso, pelvis, legs and feet. The use of a seat harness, belt and the like causes high pressure on every fixated body part. Compared to immobile fixations in rigid systems, the AKTIVLINE allows movement by using physiological pivotal points at the hip and knees. This reduces pressure by fixation. A special spring system guides the patient back to the original optimal seating position. This relieves body and material. In addition, it increases untroubled seating periods and hence the quality of life significantly. Those who use the AKTIVLINE are able to sit in a correct position and move at the same time. There are many patients who cannot cope with a rigid care system, especially for those who suffer from infantile cerebral palsy or Huntington's chorea with a strong extension tonus. A rigid system is an inadequate care. That is, when they go into an extension that originates from the torso, they automatically change their seating position. In a dynamic seating system, the patient can go into an extension with the whole system following. When the patient moves back into the resting position, the seating angle at 90 degrees is automatically recaptured. AKTIVLINE wheelchairs come with dynamically mounted seat shells and swiveling footrests. Two dynamic joints in the pelvis and knee range allow for unrestricted motions. The dynamic and anatomic pivotal points at the hip and knees correspond perfectly, hence the correct position of all fixations is always maintained. Two joints at the hip and knees allow this movement. When the user stretches, the joints open up. Subsequently, a specially developed spring system automatically guides the user back into the optimal orthopedic seating position. The AKTIVLINE fits like a second skin. This provides a number of advantages. An optimal seating position is achieved and permanently maintained. The seating periods in the chair are significantly increased. The good mobility reduces adverse effects by fixation, which occur in rigid systems. The dynamic seat shell minimizes the force unleashed on the system. The good mobility improves the body perception and the motor skills. The system has high therapeutic value from which the whole organism of the user can benefit. The AKTIVLINE wheelchair is available in 4 versions and 4 different sizes. AKTIVLINE Basis has a continuous footrest and the Mini base. AKTIVLINE Standard is available in 5 sizes with continuous or shared footrest. AKTIVLINE Carbon for freedom of movement at a body weight up to 45 kilograms. AKTIVLINE Individual with virtually unlimited options for individualization. All wheelchairs can be customized, for example using an adjusted backrest or seat and many other options. We believe that providing a good, patient-oriented care is only possible with a committed team and expert service. As the inventors of dynamic seating, we develop single parts and complete care systems with CAD applications. We manufacture almost 90% of the parts ourselves, using the most modern CNC machinery. Moreover, our machinery contains systems for water jet cutting, chamfering, powder coating application, and milling. Due to the combination of high-quality materials, state-of-the-art technology, and innovative manufacturing process, we guarantee continuous quality at low cost. On the other hand, we rely on the many years of experience of our qualified employees. They know every system to the smallest detail. This way, they contribute to improve the quality of life of many patients.
Ich fühle mich viel wohler an dem Rollstuhl. Ich kann meinen Körper viel besser bewegen. Ich bin viel entspannter, viel lockerer. Ich will nicht wieder zurück zum alten Rollstuhl. Nein.